Welcome to my home. Today I'm gonna teaching you how to cook แกงเขียวหวานไก่ In front of me right here is all the ingredients that we're gonna use today. And today I go to the market and pick up the beautiful piece of chicken right here. And I'm gonna use them half. This piece is it's the chicken breast. So we're gonna cut them. Not too big and not too small. I'll use 2 pieces. Some people doesn't like skin, but skin is gonna give you a little oil on top. It looks very good. The first thing that you have to know what is I'm going to put in the green curry. The very important thing is coconut milk, curry paste, green curry, crumb sugar, mã ขือเปราะ or eggplant, baby corn. We don't get a baby corn in a can here. It's a fresh baby corn. Sweet basil, chili, red or green just matter. It tastes good. Chicken. It's already cut just now that I showed you earlier. Fish sauce. After I show you all the ingredients, I'm going to put the pans in the own style of cooking in Thailand. But you can use the electric stove or gas. It's used the same. I'm going to put the coconut half of this bag. And the pan is very hot. And let them sit until you can see it's starting boil. It's about 5 or 10 minutes. You can see that coconut milk is very boring because the heat is very hot. So I'm going to add green curry. Just about 1 can. So I put in like a 1.5 spoon. And then I put them back in the stove. And you can see the coloring. Start change the color. And add some more coconut milk. This much coconut milk you can do like 5 or 6 people in your family. It's very creamy. You can add some coconut or green curry paste in if you think that's not spicy enough or you like spicier. So you're gonna let them sit. It's about 5 minutes. After I boil the coconut and the curry paste enough, so it's time for the chicken. So we're gonna put the chicken in. and then let them sit like 10 or 15 minutes in the slow cooking. And now I'm going to show you how to cut the vegetable. It's about eggplant. We cut the top off like this and cut them half and half. In Thailand, we are natural growing. About plant, if you see like this is a bad, so you don't use them. But when you cut and it's perfectly clean, white, good looking like this is a good eggplant that you're supposed to use. I have a corn here that you have to chop off the top, but just peel the on top out and then just chop like this wherever you like. But it's no problem about the corn in a can that you got in the store. After I cut eggplant and corn, I put them in the water. In my waters have a little salt on it so to keep them fresh and not get black outside. So when you put it in, it's still keep the eggplant is still green and good looking. The next vegetable that I'm going to cut and put them in a green curry, it's chili. The way you want to cut, you can cut like this. Today I put 2. And again, I put them in the water. It's good color. Okay, come back to my green curry here. Look at that color. It's having oil on top and everything, and chicken is already cooked. So the next part, I'm going to add some taste on it. I put some brown sugar. It's about 1 teaspoon. Fish sauce. It's about 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add some vegetable. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Nice color. Smells so good. I'm hungry. The next thing we're gonna put in basil. So you just take the leaf off the stem like this and again put them in the water. You can put much if you want because it smells so nice and this is herb, healthy. So I'm gonna put some chili, red chili, and the sweet basil. I put just about 3 stems. And we're done. So I got the product done right here. What we call chicken green curry, or in Thai แกงเขียวหวานไก่